Hi YouTubers. I wanted to upload a detailed CAD model of a homemade foundry that I built. You can see I made it from a used propane tank. Actually, it was from my old barbecue. Uh, what you do is you take the valve off, you fill it with water, and then you cut the lid off right about the tangent point, maybe just a little bit below the tangent point. A lot of the foundries that you'll see online have a lid that flips over the top. I didn't want to do that. I wanted to have one that swung to the side. I think it'd be less wear and tear on it, so I created a foot pedal that actually pushes on a tube or a bar that goes through a tube that's attached to the lid so that when you push on it, lifts the lid up about a quarter inch and you can swing it away, as you can see right there. And it actually works really good. Um, if you look inside the foundry, I took a piece of 3/4 inch um, black iron pipe, and you see the hole in the bottom of the foundry. What that's for is if you have a crucible fail, the material has somewhere to go so that you're not stuck there chipping it out and just have a real mess there. The crucible actually made out of a piece of 4-inch square tube, 3/16 wall thickness, and then I welded a 3/16 plate on the bottom. And I used a couple half-inch bolts. I welded to the edges so that you got a place to lift it up, and then um, I welded a large nut on the back so that you've got a place to hook it so you can do a pour. And there you can get a nice view of how I did the base, and then that again that hole on the bottom of the foundry for the material if it fails. The base is made out of 1-inch square tube, and you can get it at any hardware store, and that's just to give it a nice solid footing. Here you can see the refractory material. I got it in there curing. I did an 8-inch ID diameter, and I just bought a piece of concrete core that worked really good for that, because then you can just kind of collapse it and push it out of there. The burner, I did the burner so that it was off center, so you can give yourself, here's the curing process, so you can give yourself a nice swirling motion, as you can kind of see here. I don't have it on real high because again it's curing. And then this here shows how you want the flame to look, just a nice spinning motion. And you can see there, and in one of my other videos I actually show you how to build the burner there. You want to be careful with the propane. You want to make sure you put a regulator on it, because if you don't and somebody bumps the valve, you have this problem. So you end up having a real big fireball there. So hopefully this helped you. Leave any comments, give me a thumbs up, and thanks for watching. Bye.